Welcome, guys, to this channel. This channel was named as Tips and Tricks, and I randomly find some issues with everything on a daily basis that I can post it on this channel in regard to help people. Now I'm facing a problem with the updates of Windows. It is Windows 11, and the version should update it to the version H2 23 on a 64-based system. I have a Lenovo computer. It's a Carbon X1 Carbon 9th generation. And recently I got updated to the new system update. But this part of the update never ends. It's If you try this, it's going up to 100%, and during the installation, error comes and it will go on. I can luckily work with this PC, but it's kind of annoying. And if you can't find out the update problem, so it's gonna pop up every well, half an hour, 1 hour, right in the corner, and then the process is going again, on and on and on. I wanted to find the issue. Where was the problem? The problem is um, that the PC will cannot install this last update. It's KB5055528, and that's the latest model, the latest number that is updated recently. Well, I found out a solution to go through this by manually downloading this update from the Windows update system. We have to go to a link that I'm mentioning here, and this is the link. I'm going to take a copy of that, or copying with the mouse, that you can see that I'm copying this. But before that, we have to find out about our system. If my system is 64 base or 32, it should be here. You can see that it's a 64-based processor, a 64-bit operating system. And that's all. And I want to see which edition of Windows I have. I have Windows 11. After you find out your version of Windows and which base system you have, you need to paste this link. This link I will put in the description. You come to the Microsoft Update Catalog. You find a version which is based on your system. For me, it works with the 23H2, and for a 64-base system, I click the download, and another window pop up, which is this one, and you should click on the blue link, and then the download will begin. It's going to take 880 megabytes download, which is consistent with this file. And after that, you need to go to the file location. And after a while, the installation process will begin. It will pop up. Do you want to install? Yes. It's installing in the Windows Update cache. In the second part of this, after installing, the computer will restart several times. The second part of that is to be to find out the Windows Update cache should be modified, and we modify it by starting and restarting. The sum of the modification that will be in this video. And after the restart, you can see I'm back, and I went to the services. I write the word services and enter, and then goes to this menu, which is a services menu. Then you have to find the 4 services that we have to check if they are automatically started, and otherwise I have to start it, all these 4 services automatically. The first one is app readiness. You go to the property. You can see that's a manual. It should be automatic, and you should press the start. It will start, and it says running. Apply, OK, and afterwards at the end, we start the whole process once again. The second one is background intelligent transfer system. I go to the properties. I can see it's manual. It should be automatic. Starting. Applying. OK, and then restart. The third one is cryptographic services. This one. Go to the property, make it as automatic. It's running, applying, OK, and restart. And the fourth one is Windows Update. It should be on the W at the end. Windows Update. Just this one. Property, it's a manual. Should be automatic. If it's starting, it's OK. Apply, OK, and restart. After this part,